Well, it's -10 today. Of course, I'm a scrapper, and well, I'm addicted, so I gotta keep scrapping. So got some goodies on here, and got some aluminum. I got to try to get some of the bolts out and stuff, so I can get that top dollar. Take the rubber out, make sure there's no glass in it, so I get that top dollar. It's all easy. Can all easily be taken out. Got an old wheelbarrow. Got this old bike. I think I'm gonna hold on to it for now. Yeah, some sweet stuff in there. Some shred, some old sheet, screen, aluminum. And I'll show you something quick. It's no moped. So there it is. Gonna get all this onto the truck. Just doing a bit of sorting here. Still gotta get the screws out of that aluminum. I like to get top dollars, so got some stuff in here. Got some extrusion, dishwasher, an old wheelbarrow, some siding, some screen windows, aluminum frames. So yeah, got some wire, some dirty stainless, a couple motors, some shred, some aluminum, and some cast. Yeah. Just cleaning out a house here. Got a bunch of shred in the front, electronics, got laptops, I got computers, I got shred, I got speakers, I got wire in the front seat. Back's full. Still quite a bit of scrap in the house though. Whoever lived here is gross. Let's go in this gross ass place. There's a wire. Yeah. So there's these computers. Today's Friday. I'm coming back on Sunday. Computers. Bit of stuff down there. So and then I'm gonna go back out the front door and I'll show you from the side. Gotta make sure I lock this door though. Closed up. There's no chipper there. Oh, there's at least another load of scrap here, or more. So, be back on Sunday. Load it up. Gonna go to the scrapyard here with what I have now. And yeah. Well, just hauling some scrap metal here from a house that we tore down that was basically abandoned. Somebody had hoarded a bunch of stuff, and well, I guess they don't live there no more, and the house got tore down and we had to clean it out. My car trailer is full of scrap metal too. Computers and everything, and whatever you want to imagine is probably on that trailer in scrap. So just a bunch of goodies here. Some electronics down in here, some computer towers, some old insulated wires, some Christmas lights, some shred, some aluminum. So yeah, just gonna go cash this in. I got some shred in the back, I got some number 2 insulated, got that number 1 insulated wire, and yeah. Well, it's taking some scrapping. It's snowing, so decided to cover most of it up. Gonna take in some electronics, some monitors, some towers. So might as well get rid of the crap because it's gonna get covered up in snow. Well, those computer monitors weighed like 596 pounds. Just coming back from the scrap yard. Got just over 70 bucks. So just cruising on a fuel light because it's a Ford and I can. Going to the gas station, bud.